Here we have a 2019 Mercedes-Benz GLC 300D 4MATIC AMG line Premium Plus. Now this vehicle comes with 20-inch black alloy wheels, all in excellent condition just down there. We also have the polar white metallic paintwork, along with the LED headlights and the Pan America front grille. We have the gloss black Mercedes badge in the centre. Coming around to the passenger side, you'll see the second alloy wheel, again in excellent condition. Taking a step back for a side profile view, you'll see the side steps at the bottom, the colour-coded door handles and door mirrors. We have the rear privacy glass for the passengers. We also have the sunroof just at top. Down here we have the third alloy wheel. We also have 360-degree cameras with front and rear parking sensors. We have the dual exit exhausts. This vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. So let's take a look at the fourth and final alloy wheel. Coming inside, you'll find a full leather interior with contrasting white stitching, foldable armrest in the centre, fixed ISO points. We also have the premium Burmester sound system, brushed metal handle along with the electric windows just there. In the front you'll find the same full leather interior with contrasting white stitching. However, these front seats are heated, electrically adjustable with the memory function just there. We have the electric windows, so child lock for the rear. We have electric power folding mirrors just there. Again, the premium Burmester sound system. We have the auto lights just there. We have a flat-bottomed multifunctional steering wheel, digital dashboard. We also have the main infotainment screen on there with the likes of sat-nav, media, radio, phone connectivity and much more. However, we are still waiting a full valet on this vehicle, and once it gets one we'll do a more in-depth video. This vehicle comes with a fresh service, fresh MOT, free next day nationwide delivery, HPI clear, competitive finance deals. If you want to learn more, please check out the website. Thank you for watching.